All right, yo. So we're on our way to AutoZone to pick up some tools to start working on this oil pan. And I was thinking about getting a welder to come and weld that little spot in the oil pan with the hole. But the welder bailed out on me. He bailed. He decided to cancel our appointment. So I got to figure something out. So I'm going to head over to AutoZone to find some stuff that I could put on there temporarily. Nah, I can't do that with this car. I have to actually replace the oil pan. So I'm just going to go over to AutoZone, pick up some stuff, some grease, adhesive and stuff, and to do some work on the engine bay. Going to AutoZone. Go right there. Take the Volvo. Alright. Put this down. Every time I get in a car other than the BMW, I always do this. I always check quality. And to be honest, Volvo, their quality is good, and this car is from like 2008, 2007, 2008, and their quality is top notch, man. They're up there with BMW and Mercedes. Yep, but still not a BMW. Not a BMW. But I gotta admit though, if I were to drive any other car or buy another car, I'll probably buy a Volvo. Just as a daily driver. Just as a daily. Alright guys, it is officially 2 weeks later, and I got some stuff for the F30. I got coolant, oil filter. I got like 7 of these. It's about 7 quarts of the filter. Sure, I'll lock that. Leave this open. I attempted to remove the lug nuts, but they're really stuck on there, and I did everything I could. I'm not a professional at removing lug nuts, but I got some people to coming out here to remove these lug nuts and replace this tire. Honestly, this tire still got some threads. The tire was good, but as you can see down here, it exploded. So I'm replacing this tire and just removing these lug nuts that are stuck on here and replacing them. So I'm waiting for the guy to get here. He should be here within the hour and a half, or maybe 2 hours, the longest. Like I reviewed in the last video, we did replace the cowl filter. I'm still missing these 2 little cover here, which I'm going to replace soon. Alright guys, so I made the decision to take the car to a shop and have them work on it instead of what I was doing in the backyard with my brother. We could have done more, but we just didn't have the time. So I decided that I was going to pay to have the engine rebuilt. So the footage you're about to see, it's literally 6 months later, when I'm going to pick up the car and stuff like that. So again, this was something that I couldn't do. Like, I've never done an engine swap or engine rebuilt. So it would have been a complete disaster if me and my brother decided to do it. We do know a little bit, but we wasn't that advanced. So again, the footage you're about to see, it's literally 6 months later in November of me picking up the car after the repair and rebuild. We're picking up the F30. We're finally going to pick up the F30 and have some awesome F30 content coming to the channel. I have a lot to say about this, about the car, but at this point, I've had it with just the repair shop, like, and the process of how long it takes or it took to get the car done. Now, you know, I don't blame anybody else because, you know, I took some time to finish the payments, but what I was expected to pay for the repair was much higher than what we had initially agreed on. But doing an engine repair, fixing the car, anything can happen. So there you have it. But we're gonna go pick up the car, and I'll show basically show you guys and give you a little rundown of everything that's been going on. All right, let's get right into it.
Don't wanna say goodbye, yeah. Want your skin on my skin. Just one last time. If I can't have you, babe, I don't want nobody else in my life. So darling, please pull me closer. This is the last time, it could count now, baby. Yeah, darling, please pull me closer. It's not over until it's over. I know we get it all, we got there, we try. Side by side, side, but I get it. Sometimes love's just not enough when you try. Side by side, but things don't get better, you get bitter. I wanna say goodbye, yeah. Lay your head on my chest, just one last time. If I can't have you, babe, I don't want nobody else around. So darling, please pull me closer.
All right, we are here at Project Motor. We're picking up the F30 finally. It took like forever, but she's a mess. Oh, wait, they cracked my... no. They gotta replace this. Yeah. Yeah. All right, y'all. We finally got the F30 back. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here that needs to go back on the car or get thrown into the garbage. But I just drove the car back to New York, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm highly disappointed I'm very highly disappointed in the work that was done to this car and how it was done. So I'm gonna say more about that later on, but we're here, we're in New York. The car drives nice. I mean, it drives okay, but I'm getting codes for the catalytic converter and pressure sensor, something the shop didn't fix. So right now the car is running a little rich, and you know how that is on fuel economy. It's very bad, and the smell from the exhaust is like, it's overwhelming. So either I need to cold that, I need to some type of coding, something has to be done, so that can be fixed. But again, we're in New York. I don't know if you guys want to hear the exhaust. I'm on the freeway. I'm on the freeway right now, parked on the side of the road, because I'm giving the car gas, but it's really not boosting like it's supposed to. So let's hear that. It sounds good, but you know, once I'm going and I'm I'm stepping on the gas, and it's like it hesitate. And I don't know if that's because of the pressure sensor or the catalytic converter stuff, but yeah. But the car was very filthy, so I had to like stop at a car wash, get the car washed real quick, just a quick wash, because it's been sitting for months. So I'm gonna take the car home. There's some stuff I got to put on it. The shop, you know, took one of the wheels off. They don't know where they put it, basically. So another thing that I'm disappointed in, another thing that I'm upset at. How you gonna take a wheel off the car and don't know where you put it? So missing wheels and just a bunch of stuff, man. Like, it's overwhelming. I spent too much money on this car. And by the way, the car is for sale. Like, whoever wants to buy it, it's for sale. I'm not keeping this car. Like I was saying, the car is running, but it's running rich. The TPMS stuff, I understand that has nothing to do with the engine job. That's something I could take care of myself. I get it. That's fine. And the low beam on the left side, that's something I could take care of. But again, the car is running rich. Basically, well, that's something I have to take care of as well. I'm getting code for the oxygen sensor. Basically, I'm running a aftermarket downpipe. If I want to get rid of that issue, I could just return to stock, get a stock downpipe and stuff. But again, I told you guys there are other codes on the car. There are other things, other issues that was not really taken care of. But I'm just glad I have the car back. If I decide not to put any more money into this car, I'll just sell it as it is and cut my losses. But here we are. Here is the F30. I'm actually parked on like a main road, so it's hard for me to like actually. And it's raining outside. I want to show you guys the outside of the car, but it's raining and it's cold, and I don't want to get out this car. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a bit once the rain slows down. I'll show you how the whole thing. All right, this is what I was talking about when I said the shop they damaged my bumper. As you guys can see, the bumper is cracked from here all the way. I don't know, they probably messed up some other things under here, but that's on them. So they're gonna have to replace all this and the grill as well. They messed that up, completely damaged everything. But yeah, the F30 is back, baby. She's back. And she's raspy. Alright guys, I've officially fixed the broken tail light that was on the passenger side. Replaced it with a brand new one. We still need to adjust the exhaust because it is hitting on that side. This wheel is a different color than the rest. Also, we replaced the trim. I replaced the window trims on here, so everything is good on that side. I still need to adjust these the side skirt. Is this the regular side skirt or is this the M Sport? It looked regular. It looked like the regular side skirt, but I don't know. It looked like something hit from this side, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But that needs to be adjusted. Like I showed earlier, everything else, I am going to upgrade to the M Sport shifter soon. M Sport wheel. I upgraded the interior trim. And there's very minimal stuff left to do when it comes to the interior. I also, let me go to the driver's side. I gotta fix this. I don't know how to get this out. For some reason, I've struggled trying to get this out and to fix it and put it in place. But for some reason, I haven't been able to. I'm gonna keep trying. If anybody else knows, let me, hit me up, show me a video or something on how to fix that. But it's just not positioned right. But other than that, the car needs a wash. It is filthy, very dirty. Again, the shop's gonna fix the bumper. They haven't done so yet, so possibly by the end of this week, everything should be done with the bumper and stuff. So that's about it. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna head over to the gas station because the F30 is literally out of gas. We have like 14 miles to the range. Our range is 14 miles, so we're gonna stop by the gas station real quick, get some gas, and I'm gonna take her home.